Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to choose the swiping right to left option for your Discord app. Now, if you swipe right to left and then on your message, for example this one, it will give you an option to reply the message. You can see reply. Now if you want to change this to maybe channel list, tap on your profile icon at the bottom. If you tap on it again, it takes you to settings, or you can just tap on the gear icon at the top, takes you to settings, scroll all the way down and you see chat. Tap on chat, scroll down until you see this option for gesture. Now right now it's set to reply to message. So we tap on this. Now you have set it that when you swipe right to left, it will show you information, details about the person you're chatting with or the channel, like the search, members, media, pins, threads, and more. So let's see if it works. Let's go back to that same chat, tap on it. Let's see what happens when we swipe right to left again. You can see it opens details about them, members, media, pins, like, and files. That's it. So now we've changed our swiping right to left gesture.